Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-20, the slide for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to build part 6-20, slide for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So open our file new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go top, sketch. We're going to do line. Going to go start from the center point, go across, especially at C facing down, pretty much. What else there? Nope. Let me go parallel. Oop, that's not parallel, but we'll fix that in a minute. Yeah, the line mark. So this line, and this line are all vertical. These 2 points here is going to be horizontal. And that's good for now. Okay, the width is 22. This is going to be 22. The height is going to be 12. That's not far off. 11.999, whatever. Okay, but this one here will be 6. This line here will be 5 and 5. That should lock everything in place, fully defined, perfect. Back to feature, extrude, and that's going to be mid-plane, 60. And done. That's going to be steel. So we're going to change that to appearance, metal, thank you, steel. Go to the second one, brush steel. And zoom out. And this one here will be normal. Sketch. It's going to be a circle. And that's going to be from there to there will be 30, which is perfect because it clicked into that one. Now you can click it in, but it's not locked into that. It is now. This hole is going to be 9.5, and that's going to be 11 millimeters. So from that point to that point, oh, I missed click on that, did I? So I clicked on it. Okay, that line, it works. 11, locked in, feature, screw cut, through all, and done. And that is that piece done. Double check, there's no flanges, no fillets, no other holes. That's done. That's part 6-20, slide for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode, nice and short, which a lot of these pieces are, but they're simple, but they make a more complicated product. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.